Look at this f***ed up animation which is called Brainwashed. Do you want to learn how this was created? Of course you do. Well, let's go. Import the image, select empty space, go to content aware fill, and voila! Now it's not empty anymore. Go to camera raw filter and start playing with colors. Give it some cool blue tones. Search for some cables. Oh yeah baby, this looks good. Import that image into Photoshop. Use hue saturation to make it red. Select smudge tool to connect the cable to the image. Create a copy of the cable and do the same. Create one more copy and again do the same. Create an empty layer and start drawing with a white brush. Try to create a color dripping effect. Go to layer styles and add a gradient overlay to it. Change the blending mode to overlay. Woohoo! Look at that! Now to animate the face like that, we will use an app called MugLife. MugLife app. Upload your image. Click create. And now his life is in my hand. I can do whatever I want with him. Help me! Fred is torturing me. I mean, you get it, right? Like, do anything. Anything? 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 Now go to After Effects, import the video and the cables separately. Use Puppet Pin tool. Just click to create pins. And now you can control the cables just like a doll. I also found this cool animation of whatever the this is. Import this to After Effects. Change colors using hue saturation. And then create a mask to make sure that we see it only on the top of his head. Change the blending mode to lighten. And voila! Now isn't that the most amazing thing you have seen in your life? Wait. No? Well, you know what? That's it, we are breaking up. I'm done with you. Of course I'm kidding, I still love you guys. Please don't unsubscribe.